Armstrong Poleeno ade aha e Rexman Hotel I was Santa Star Junction so pe baby ajojo ho aha na wo say wo de woni kire so wo kuma se nko ade ya be twetwe nkomo me ne one of the moment the boss himself Zionfelix ya be twetwe nkomo ne faden ho e Akuapem Polo esaga ye ba ya obi e ka bi obi ade na no ato na judgment ne ba yesesan ya be twetwe nkomo e bia wonya nte boss pa so no ka ba
Joso
na bibia bako de
na me ado betaliza
unya ba Rosemond Brown sem no what is na ho ye
na metie no
emu saga say ya chi no ye de ko die o ni sa anyama no
oh in fact metie anyama de
okay
I wasn't expecting all these things to happen to her.
Okay.
And looking at how I was apologize or regret I apologize I won't maybe no. I wasn't expecting these things to happen to her.
Okay. Now, me aware say issue where I want or block you or Instagram.
Very okay. Yeah. Rose is my girl. I mean,
okay.
Because in the power, no matter what. The power is my power. I can't say anything. Issue na buy you know. I'm a media person. Okay. So when issues come up, I need to report because people do follow me because of what I do.
Okay.
And then you are even my friend because of what I do. Can you know maybe I'm coming? I'm bang baby. Maybe I was on entertainment. I say be when I'm baby, I'm on baby. Because of what I do, you know, follow me. Say maybe I'll report about you. When the picture came up, I posted about it. And then things followed up. So following up, human rights for court. I'm reporting or Canada my reports now. I think I'm not catching say and yeah, Zion down for was I reporting other stories. And I'm like, so I shouldn't report about other things that I'm for about the picture. I mean, I have to report. So can say what kind of there, and I'm reporting. They're not my one side, but what can my report? So I become my report. So I know they did the one and yeah. I can't block me, and I miss ball. You call another birthday party. And I miss bro, and a cabo no unblocking it. I mean, one of the things okay donation me now be posting the picture. Now I'm clicking in so go ahead now.
What's
blocking me? I'm like, hey bro, her first one is blocking me now. Yes, it's just DM. No, explain to man, but when it there, who they because blocking me. I'm like, you don't want me around so. I can't keep myself full, so I just had to pack my things. And recently, you share traffic more. I put your head so make us say, come in, me and my phone so no. Honest, I me so because me, as I said in the beginning, me person. To whom now me make us say, I not person. Me forgot to make videos. Me yes, I drive. I could do traffic light in Santa Maria.
Okay.
And you do a whole time video so my channel so blocking and then I'm like. I like you. If I like you, I like you. And if I want to block up, block me still, you can still talk on WhatsApp. So then, nah. I think that it was a day or two before we go to Nigeria. We go to Nigeria, so we go to Nigeria and say, "I'm going to come and share me." And I'm going to post the post in your catch so about I did my man. Oba, you know, be share me. No come so drama, traffic name. But so kind of community interview to push that thing out in Nigeria now. And Oba studio meeting going on 5 minutes. They say. I didn't know episode my man. I don't know. So Rosemond there, that's what happened. But I love her. I love her for her being herself. I love her saying so yeah no man. Right now she has Poloo which is doing very well. Yeah, so I like her.
Okay, I think only in the interview and check right the case because now you move very free say Ghana the December you start here any huru na akosi but when there I mean judgment abba na so now in the last interview. Only in the interview, no, be or catch you say be in a court case, no, still na a pending.
Yeah, American court case was about on person because I respected it because I said more court. Intend no come with be hands. I think that's a part of the conversation. I brought it up, no, so I court, she wouldn't like to talk much about it, so we just ended that bit of the court. Me, I was not really interested, but you see, I'm not doing a job for myself. Okay. Because somebody might even come and watch because of that particular conversation. Yeah, because say they are at my pending there. baby I'm an update. So I had to ask, not because I want to ask, but because somebody else the same question. I'll just let it go. That is why I didn't bring it up again. Don't run answer this so. But because of person account and I respected it because I know court in some over can now against her now a man of my tumor. So about that he requested say and that honor then continue. So I did that.
Okay. Meaning say human rights for in the court. Do you agree?
As no omo adwuma na omo ye they feel like bibi kosu ye bibi enkosu ye no minimum say human rights organization omo abang dia I don't know but I feel like ebia na minimum say omo so a friend advice na ebia Rosmo ayibida na my friend advice no say men say
and one fee
yeah but I'm like omo akwa no ebi obo akwan dey punishment is pa opia akwa no
some am dey on individual because at this stage they dey on individual say about social media and the money is something different
chai is some way bi onye me busuani unto once the moment me ba dwale da end that onye me ba no hwe da
okay
baba e bibia okotawe because I abayam na edimi kotum I don't know if 3 months human rights for no be jijisusu and say be am foundation here e be help kana
okay
because I don't mean nim there
okay
ti be na omo akwan sika di ene bia so be treat akwan bad answer akwan ma me treat bad I know say bia mas kadina so dim money there to me don't do anything for me and
but some kwa ma akra no ana
okay Zide as na you know. I some way. I mean, and I may say me so mo from my many kasai be. Ebi I would can be say be say there dem fine. But my body won't too much for that. All of a sudden my court. Ebi an ka frame to me for na bia mabu manti wa.
Okay.
If you don't put ba me fa. Nka abai ka dey call there fine. But meaning so human rights organization now Aband they send you and the state. But individual be
all right. Now only ni say akraya sabi emo so mo fight here amanu say yentwe o maame aso yemfo maame nkotwinum be bosome miensa no. Onim say akra no so onyina obenya otan bi ama oman ni nyina.
Obi obenya otan man kofo no. No man go nya oman de maame kokot. Ebe ne ya say something like this has happened. I can't hear now small boy. I think he is around 6. So and I'm not sure say my make up prison or make a chance to coin.
Okay.
Come to come back crowd or airport. I'm sure say I want to come about only so catch you. So until those words from the mama or say and I'm sure what it say no make up caught up because of those pictures. Okay. It is going to affect the boy negatively. I mean, to be in his mind forever and ever. And it is going to affect him. So 3 months he's not going to see the mom, and that's on Boko prison when I call him mommy.
Okay. Alright. As I'm not so bad, celebs breed on one atom, yes, I could hear saying, before we breed on one atom. Do you think I was I am caught and I say, a bind and I say, or man penny and I akufo-addo, I didn't know Tunanka judgment, we know, or more pardon Akuapem Polo kakra.
Oh, I'm sure the man of mine. But I'm not sure there will be any presidential pardon because 3 months you're blinking eye ABC. I mean, most of us are going to miss her. The industry is going to miss her. I mean, her followers, everybody's going to miss her. I'm sure even the people who took her to court will miss her. The one person who man who did best strength, you know. I'm an
Hi, Poleeno Multimedia. Subscribe. Now click the bell notifications and anytime we drop any video, I get it straight. Zion, yeah, case we know. Say omo de no akotwem fine, but on say you want grab a brief you hear street or the emfa ye wokumasi offer her we srade offer her we airtone. So do you think say say jumana na was a human right for
yeah,
to many so
You can be. No matter what for now, I'm making sure that these kids are also get their rights.
Okay.
And come with someone from China, you have to do it. So me who
okay.
Other ones okay. So I'm picking crowd from the streets.
Okay.
I'm fighting for their rights. So I could be to be in China punishing. Making sure that all kids under school going age, school. Yes. Making sure so school. I not going to do. Call me chrome, but the sound going on feed, but call but the sound going to Casapain. I'm
fighting for.
More 30 years now. I'm not fighting for my rights. A child abuse, child labor abuse. I'm fighting more. Tell you I shall say fight for my a crowd and I'm telling me to your money. I can't complain, said I'm born, I'm trying to team me a picture can only be child. Uncle fight home.
Alright, how Munko fights him almost. I mean, some more boy Jimadia, Nama Bona, as soon be asked, and quiet any power akufo-addo. Zion Pacha, because they say, I say, all start a 2-4 now the foot to be ashu. Yeah, quid, my back on my voodoo.
Voodoo, and never can say, but I want a bono. And to a bossy.
Okay.
As the Bian idea. So Bian kind of young of born, so Bian if you're free move, Branton Jam mention or call me to Yanyap. Chenya into Yanka say, your cook master, as a quack if you hand a country, every droop at Debbie, Edia, Ubidojabi, Ubin catch Chobi. To be fast chewa, don't worry, I am ready. Overtaking is allowed. Maybe I don't now do come out. Men can't be see maybe I'm the type bedroom. I'm a jam over other sound. I'm not hoping evil for anybody. But God knows what He's doing. Let's take our time in this life. But I'm and pray on.
All right. No, see, I no ever watch something. The way piano. Nya we say in super ever talk eguso.